This is a Toastmasters Pathway Lessons, how to navigate a level. First of all, on the internet, make sure you go to www.toastmasters.org. The other thing you need to make sure is that your pop-ups are not blocked for this particular website. First thing you need to do is click on your login and type in your details. Click login. Then it says, welcome Terry, you know they're there. The very first thing you're going to do is go to Pathways. Click on Pathways and immediately you want to go to Base Camp. You click on that. This sometimes takes a while to open, not today. You can log in as a member. You have your three selections here. Access my path through Base Camp and you click on Login as a member. Also takes a while. Make sure you've got a cup of tea. Then you have a couple of choices down here and we're going to choose My Education Transcript. You click on that. And I am currently doing Presentation Mastery. So you can click on that or you can click on Open Curriculum. It takes you to the same place. So let's click on Open Curriculum. And there you can see I have a tick at level 1 and I haven't yet started level 2. So I'm going to click on level 2. You can see I'm 0% complete. And the first thing I have to do in level 2 is understanding your communication style. And to start that very new lesson, I have to click on Launch. This will open a new pop-up window and then take you through the online lessons. Once you click on Launch, this takes quite a while to open, so don't panic. Once your new window pops up, you see you're on level 2 project. I'm on Presentation Mastery, that's my path. And my lesson is understanding your communication style. There are two ways to navigate through your online lessons. You can click on the Begin button, or you can select to move to another section. If you look at the drop-down list, these are all the steps you'll have to go through: an introduction, an assignment, how you assess your skills before, your competencies, etc., etc. But for today's lesson, we're going to click on Begin. You will see you have two navigation arrows, one going backwards and one going forwards. Here is the introduction of what your next lesson or speech should be about. Once you've read and understood that, you can click on the right button. Takes you through to another introduction explaining to you, and you can keep clicking through. You have a project checklist that you could print at this stage. If you have a more information button, you can click it and it gives you advice. Your speech can be persuasive, humorous, informative, or crafted in any style that appeals to you and supports your speech content. You can click on more information. There is the purpose and there is the overview of what your assignment, your next assignment is about. You can continue clicking on these right arrows until you've worked your right through the program. You have a chance to assess your skills before you start. You click on all the different, and you can see there's different pages here. You click on all of them and you click on Next. If you want to start again, you can go back to your introduction. You can skip ahead at any stage to any of these sections. You could print your evaluation sheet. And after you've finished your speech, you can assess your skills after you've done it. As simple as that. Basically, you keep following the arrows and it'll lead you through the whole lesson. So to end, once you've found your path and you've got your correct level, all you do is click on either the back arrow or the forward arrow to navigate through the lesson and follow all the steps.